really?
Josh, I'll
I'll just open it.
Come on, Josh. I believe in you.
You gonna eat the whole thing?
No, we're gonna wait. Who's eating it?
You can eat it.
Okay, Nathan, you're not gonna do it.
I'll eat like a tiny bit.
All right, it's
Dude, even a tiny bit is gonna hurt.
all right, Nathan. If you're gonna do a little bit, you have to do like.
I don't care.
No, Josh, give him like
Just
this much.
eat
Just
the whole
take a
chip.
little bit because
No, because
you know,
they're gonna
it's
share.
still-
Open it up.
Okay, let's open it up.
It has a chip.
You just gotta put
It's
$35.
yeah.
You just gotta put
Yeah.
tape over your tongue. Actually,
I can
legit.
smell it. Wow.
You don't want your drugs on.
Is it like a strong smell?
Imagine it just cracks and breaks open.
It's like black.
Yeah, it's a legit black. But I'm not gonna.
Wait, it's black?
Don't touch it with your
Wait,
fingers though.
Okay.
It's not that big.
No, I'll get this piece. I'll get this piece.
No, eat it right
Dude,
now.
it looks like a brownie.
All right. Oh, we're all
All right.
at the same time.
Josh,
I'm not eating nothing.
It looks like a brownie.
he's eating the hottest chip.
All right.
Yeah, no, that's still
No,
gonna
man,
hurt.
that's too little.
No, that's still gonna hurt. Trust me.
No, here, I'll eat that one. I'll eat that one.
Hey,
No, you're not. You're not.
Wipe your eye, it's gonna
All right,
hurt.
don't touch your eyes.
Yeah, don't wipe your eyes.
All right, you get the rest of it. Ready?
Wait.
All right.
No.
Three,
Dude,
All right.
that's still gonna be.
two,
There's a piece on the ground.
go.
Well, I can't good.
Still.
It is.
Oh.
How am I? Oh.
Delicious!
How was yours?
It's fine.
Take like this big of a piece.
Back up. You need to take it.
Is it spicy?
Is it burning?
Oh,
My tongue.
okay.
I'm getting it, yeah.
Is it numb?
Oh my.
Oh my goodness! I can feel it now. Yo. Yeah. Well,
And you can't drink any water for 10 minutes?
or milk.
Hey, Josh.
Or milk?
Are you hiccuping?
Yo. Wow. It's like feels like someone stabbing my tongue.
Oh, what'd I tell you, Josh?
My ears burn. Oh, whoa.
Dude, I told you. What did I say?
I'm getting water, Josh.
I'm crying.
Or soda.
I'm crying.
What did I tell you, Josh? It's totally painful.
I give up. I give up.
Oh,
Where's the milk? Where's the milk? Where's the milk?
nah, I need water.
Good guy.
Water won't cure it.
I need milk.
Good guy.
Go jump in the bowl or something.
Fill up.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Are you gonna drink any milk?
Yeah, I'm gonna some milk.
Wait, they need milk?
I'll be back.
They need milk.
Did they throw up?